Namaskar, I'm Jyoti Kajuria. I'm into astrology, numerology, Vastu, and in Vastu I do Vedic Vastu, I do Pyramid Vastu, I do Aroma Vastu. I also am into different aspects about Vastu, where demolition should be like it's my priority, should be the last thing, and how things can be rectified as and when required, so it can help the people living in the house. I'm an interior designer also from my way back when I was studying in university. At the same time, I'm into tarot reading, Vedic cards. I'm a graphologist also, signature analyst also, which people say. I deal with crystals, and in dealing where Vastu is my main subject, because I'm seeing there's a lot of uh, disharmony nowadays when families are living, or you buy a property and you feel that it's not that conducive to you, and it's a big purchase. You cannot just change that purchase because after doing the purchase you're realizing it's not there, or you've constructed the whole thing and you have to demolish it, or you have to start making rectifications. It's called a patchwork. In stitching also it gets a little difficult, and I would say it gets a little bit more difficult when you've constructed a place with a lot of love and a lot of harmony, and suddenly you cannot just demolish it and change it. So things can be rectified. I see Rachna is there. Hello, Rachna. Hi. Yes. So I see my aspects towards Vastu, being an interior styling, being an interior designer, the aesthetics are very important. But at the same time, certain practical aspects also need to be looked into. You just cannot do something, क्योंकि एक होड़ चाल चल रही है, जो हिंदी में मैं बोलूँगी अब थोड़ा, होड़ चाल चल रही है कि जी हम इसको बदल देते हैं, इसको कर देते हैं, यहाँ तोड़ दो, इसको ये कमोड गलत लगा है, या ये शावर गलत जगह पे लगा है, या आपने वॉशिंग मशीन गलत जगह लगाई है, टीवी आपका गलत जगह लगा हुआ है. तो इट्स नॉट प्रैक्टिकल एवरी टाइम. And with minimal, I would say, I am a person with zero destruction. Avoid and get the Vastu fixed. I'm into numerology, I'm into astrology also. In astrology I do Vedic, I do Nadi astrology, I do Vedic and KP also. In numerology I do Vedic numerology more, and I believe in that name rectification, you know signatures analysis, because signatures also affect. So there are a lot of things onto it. So it's a vast field. This is my first live video, and I'm coming live for the first time by encouragement of my family members, my husband, my friends, because I've been doing a lot of referral work. I never came out publicly. I've been doing, through for work for my friends, for my colleagues, for my family. But now I'm coming out in public. Do reach out to me if anybody needs any assistance, because for a limited period of time I'm going to give a rebate and do the best what I can. So let me know. I teach online also courses if you're interested in learning about numerology, astrology, even Vastu. I have Feng Shui. I'm a pranic healer also. I'm a magnified healer. I'm a grandmaster in Reiki and Karuna Reiki. So it's a vast field. It's more than 25, I would say 26 years or 27 years, I would say. I've been doing it. And it was my passion from childhood. So let me know if I can be of any help. And if you need my services, so do connect with me. My number is 760-30-71936. And my email is astrogyani@gmail.com. Take care. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Sorry, today I'll be making it short. We'll be connecting again later soon. Take care. Bye-bye.